Hello, I'm Trace, and welcome to Trace vs. Nature, hosted by Trace. Today, I'm be trying to get out of this place. Step 1. I gotta get out of here, so I'm just gonna start walking in a random direction, because eventually I'm gonna have to get out of here. Alright, let's go. Let's do. There. I gotta find some food so I can survive. Hope we find. Oh, I spotted the deal! I hit him! He fell on the ground! I've hit him. He's down. Parkour. Oh, look at the weight on this big boy! Look at him! It's getting cold and late. To keep myself warm, I'm gonna use friction to start a fire. Stop it anytime. Stop it. Power! Fire! This is really hard. I couldn't start the fire because of the wind. I'm gonna have to go and find another place better if I want to start a fire. I'm bored in nature, so I'm gonna throw this rock as far as I can. And so I'm gonna use physics. It's supposed to be a 45-degree angle. So yeah. I went far! Yeah, I went far, dude. I wonder how far that rock went. I think I've been walking for 10 hours and I've spotted a highway. Hopefully the call comes soon. Let's go. Oh, I see some cars. Oh, sir, can you give me a ride? You need a ride? Yes, please. No, I'm on diesel more. Actually, yeah, I am Trace. I have defeated nature.